Only professional programmers can get this answer correctly. Try your best. Are these variables same or different? You are going to write your answer in the comment section. Are these variables same or different? So let us clarify it. What this means in the programming language when we say case sensitive. This means that, for example, here, once we create a variable in uppercase and lowercase are really different. For example, this will create two variables. Lowercase a, which is equal to 4, is different from uppercase a, which is equal to Sally here. This is the name of a person. What I want to clarify is that a is equal to 4 and uppercase a is equal to Sally. To mean that this a is different from uppercase a. A will not overwrite a. This means that this lowercase a with value 4 is different from this uppercase a with value 3, right? A will not overwrite a. To mean that it's not like writing a multiple times. This lowercase a is different from uppercase a. For example, once we run our program, let us run it and see. Here, once we print a, lowercase a, and print uppercase a, print our a, which is uppercase 1. In this case, we will get different values. That's why this Python program is case sensitive. Lowercase is different from uppercase. We need to come and click on our run icon. And as you see, the one will print 5, but second one will print John. To mean that these variables are totally different. So you should keep on your mind that while you are dealing with Python program, you are developing any program in Python, you should differentiate uppercase and lowercase, right? So this is what you should understand in this video. Let us stop by here, and if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. Let us meet in the next lesson.